Hey everyone, Isaiah here with Cerakote, and today I'm going to take you through how to do a basic rebuild of the Paasche HVLP spray gun found on our website. Since this is a starter gun, there are only a couple of areas that you will need to address. You will not need to disassemble any other parts of the gun other than what you see in this tutorial. Let's talk about what is included in the rebuild kit and what parts you will use as part of the rebuild. Parts used as part of the rebuild are 1 nylon needle packing bushing, 1 needle packing spring, and 1 brass needle packing seat. This kit also contains these other universal Paasche parts. You will not need these to perform this level of rebuild, but keep them around as spares. Phase 1, starter gun disassembly. Begin by removing the fluid adjustment knob. Remove the fluid adjustment spring, remove the fluid needle. You can depress the trigger to make it easier. Now, remove the air cap, remove the fluid nozzle. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, you're ready to remove the packing kit. Phase 2, needle packing installation. Using the needle as a guide to prevent the packing from flipping, drop in the nylon packing. Ensure that the tapered end of the packing faces toward the spray gun. Next, you can drop in the packing spring. Then, drop in the brass packing seat. Now, screw in the brass packing seat to a snug fit. Do not over torque. Phase 3, needle nozzle installation. Screw in the fluid nozzle by hand, then snug it down using the tool. Do not over torque. Now you're ready to secure the air cap hand tight. Phase 4, installation of fluid needle, spring, and knob. Begin by placing the needle into the spray gun body. Now, place the needle spring onto the back side of the needle. Now you can reinstall the fluid knob onto the gun body. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our technical support team at technicalsupport@cerakote.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.